So hi, I'm Sam, and I'm a rising senior at Hodges School. And for my project, I also built a 2D game using Unity, but I choose to create a bullet hell game featuring Toho project, mainly because I'm a huge Toho fan. And I've been a heavy game player for the past few years, and at one point I really want to give back to my gaming community. And I think this will be my first step in doing it. And right now I'm going to show a recorded gameplay. As you can see, this is the starting screen of my game. And after a while, I will press the game start button. And it will jump right into a short plot for the game, but I will skip it for now and jump right into the game itself. So as you can see, the purpose of the game is simple: destroy the enemy health bar before you run out of life and time. And as you can tell also that I focus almost all my time designing the bullet patterns. I have a few bullet patterns actually, but I'm only going to show 3 right now. And as you can see over here, there are 2 game objects locating on the side of the enemy game object. There's actually 3 more locating on the top, middle, and bottom of the enemy game object that constantly rotates and shoots bullets and create this type of pattern. And my game's collision works similar to Jonathan's. There's a collider assigned to each game object, and when it's collide, there will be a command called, and whether destroys any unit's health bar as it is right now. And after a little pause, and after destroying the enemy's health bar, when finish the game. And one big challenge I've encountered was that was actually learning how to use Unity engine. I remember on the first day I spent about 4 hours just trying to figure out how to open up a script, and the next 2 weeks nothing was getting better, and I was making really slow progresses. And even after getting hang of it, even after building an alpha build, challenge still comes, and there were a lot of test play I have to do. The first few ones were fine, but after doing it for 100 times, I soon get sick of the soundtrack, sound effects, and the game in general. Well, and now I finally realized why the huge game companies decide to pay people for beta testing. And well, although all that, this has been a really good experience for me. I remember before downloading the Unity engine, I was really optimistic, thinking it would be a piece of cake, and I didn't expect as much obstacles in front of me. But right now, after seeing the game evolving from only a player object that barely listens to input commands to a point that is somewhat fully functioning, it's really satisfying for me. And my time at BlueStamp Engineering will actually end today, but I will keep working on a project like this in the future. Thank you. And any questions? Yes?
Are you thinking of making any additions to your game in the future, just like?
Oh yeah, I actually plan to add a lot more. I actually expected to add a lot more, and I wanted more stages of the game, more bullet patterns, a lot more bullet patterns actually, and yeah, and there's actually one attack patterns for the enemy that I really want to add. It's called Master Spark. It's a key feature for the opponent, but I failed to add it because of it's just kind of too hard for me at this stage. But I bet in a few months there will be a new version of my game, and I'll add that feature. Yes?
Will you be sharing this game with your video gaming friends and letting them try it out?
Right now I still feel embarrassing showing them this game because even me, I don't consider this good enough quality. I'm really picky about games, and I'm even more pickier about like my own game. So yeah, it needs a lot of improvement, but I would definitely share it to my friends after I work on it for another few weeks, months. Yes?
Can you make it a two-player game?
It will be kind of hard because the original game is for one player, and the purpose of the game is bullet hell. As you can see, there are a lot of bullets from the enemy, and it's really unfair for the player. And if both players can fire that many bullets, I think I will get blinded. So I think I will stick to a single player game, but probably a feature I want to add is scoring. So this way, there's possibility for multiplayer. People can contest to do best in the game. Yes?
How much time can you beat the game in right now?
Right now, to be honest, I'm really bad at the game, and the original game is a lot harder, and it took me about 2 years to beat the easy level of that game. So, and this is not even the easy level yet. So, I need to improve my playing skill too.
A little more.